I woke up this morning to the sound of raindrops gently tapping on my window. It's one of those days where everything feels a little slower, a little quieter, perfect for a rainy day adventure. Instead of seeing it as a reason to stay in bed, I decided to embrace it. There's something so calming about the rain, like nature's way of telling us to take a break and appreciate the moment. My first stop, the kitchen for a warm cup of tea. As I waited for the water to boil, I could hear the rain picking up outside, making everything feel cozier. There's just nothing quite like wrapping your hands around a hot drink on a day like this. I spent a little time staring out the window, watching the raindrops race down the glass. It's a simple thing, but there's something almost hypnotic about it, as if each drop has its own little story to tell. But I didn't want to spend the whole day indoors. So I grabbed my umbrella and decided to go for a walk. The world looks completely different when it's raining. The streets are quieter, the air feels fresher, and there's a sense of adventure in every step. I couldn't help but notice how the rain brought everything to life. Leaves sparkled, flowers seemed brighter, and the reflections in the puddles told a story of their own. It's moments like these that make you appreciate the little things. After my walk, I returned home, dried off, and decided to spend the rest of the day curled up with a good book. The rain outside became the perfect background music, making me feel like I was in my little world. When the rain started to ease up, I realized that sometimes the most beautiful adventures aren't about where you go, but how you choose to experience the moment. And today, this rainy day was my perfect escape.